Hey guys, Ian from Proline Racing here with our new series of ultra slim LED light bars. This new series of light bar features an ultra slim, durable injection molded housing with a new dual focus lens that gives you both a flood and spot pattern. These new bars come in 4 different sizes, a straight 2 and 4 inch, and then a curved 5 and 6 inch. And with our new included mounting set, putting lights on your body has never been easier. This mounting set includes both a standard and low profile mount for mounting the light either on your hood or roof, as well as a tube mount for mounting on bumpers. These lights run from 5 to 12 volts and can either be plugged into your receiver or ran directly up to a 3S battery. Don't let the sun going down stop your fun. Get yourself some ultra slim LED light bars from Proline Racing. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check the bell for notifications on future videos. For this product and others like it, be sure to head to ProlineRacing.com, and I'll see you on the trail.